Take a deep breath. Now imagine that same breath filled with years of accumulated dust, mold, and allergens. That's exactly what's happening in thousands of Orlando homes right now because of dirty air ducts. Think about it. Your air ducts circulate the air you breathe 5 to 7 times per day. In Florida's humid climate, these dark, warm spaces become perfect breeding grounds for mold and bacteria. Every time your AC kicks in, you're potentially breathing in these harmful particles. But here's the good news. At DeepBreath Air Duct Cleaning, we're changing the way Orlando breathes. Our certified technicians don't just clean your ducts, we transform your entire indoor air ecosystem. Using state-of-the-art equipment and following strict NADCA guidelines, we eliminate years of built-up contamination that standard cleaning can't touch. Picture this: crystal clear air flowing through your home, reduced energy bills, and fewer allergy symptoms. That's not just a promise, it's what our customers experience every day. Whether you're a homeowner dealing with stubborn allergens or a business owner maintaining a commercial space, our specialized cleaning process tackles it all. From your AC blower to your dryer vents, we leave no component unchecked. But don't just take our word for it. Schedule an inspection today and we'll show you exactly what's lurking in your ducts with our advanced camera system. Ready to breathe the cleanest air your home or business has ever had. Call DeepBreath Air Duct Cleaning now at 407-800-4647, because when it comes to the air your family breathes, only the best will do. Don't wait until poor air quality affects your health. Let Orlando's most trusted air duct cleaning experts help you breathe easier today.